There's been a second Big Bang in 2017, which introduced transformer technology. And it was brought on by a paper by some Google researchers called All You Need Is Attention, obviously riffing off the Beatles song. Transformers, fortunately, have absolutely nothing whatsoever to do with these guys. What they do is that they ingest vast amounts of data. GPT-4 was trained on most of the internet. It's not labeled data, so it's different from the previous Big Bang. They cover up a bit of it, called a token, and they guess what that token is according to the context. And they work out the context by applying numbers, by translating words and images into numbers, very, very large numbers, in very, very large numbers of dimensions. These things think in thousands of dimensions, which is why it's really hard for us to understand what they do. They cover up a token, and then they guess what it should be by the context. If they get it right, hooray. If they get it wrong, then they change the model. Then that's how they're trained. And GPT-4 allegedly cost $100 million to train. So that's led to generative AI, AIs which can write and summarize. And I use GPT-4 a lot. I write two types of things. I write about AI and I write about travel. And when I'm writing my travel books, I get GPT-4 to write the first draft of each chapter. In the editing process, it's changed beyond all recognition, but I think it speeds me up by about 50%. That's an enormous increase in productivity. And we're going to see that sort of increase in productivity across the economy.